Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting 4K TV releases of 2025, the Sony Bravia 10. Sony has consistently pushed the boundaries of home entertainment, and this latest OLED TV is no exception. Packed with AI-powered picture processing, brighter OLED panels, and next-gen gaming features, the Bravia 10 is designed to redefine what a premium 4K TV can deliver. If you're looking for the ultimate TV upgrade this year, stay tuned as we break down its design, display performance, audio capabilities, gaming enhancements, pricing, and overall value. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Sony Bravia 10 deserves a place in your living room. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Design and build quality. A premium look with practical features. Sony has a history of crafting some of the sleekest TV designs, and the Bravia 10 is expected to maintain this trend. If you've seen previous models like the Bravia 9, you can expect ultra-thin bezels, a minimalist aluminum frame, and a sleek modern aesthetic that blends effortlessly into any home setup. One of the biggest upgrades might be in the stand design, which will likely offer multiple placement options for improved stability. Cable management has always been a Sony strong point, and we anticipate the Bravia 10 to feature a hidden cable routing system, ensuring a clean and clutter-free setup. Durability is another key factor. Sony's use of high-quality materials ensures that this TV isn't just beautiful but built to last. Display performance. Stunning visuals with next-gen technology. When it comes to display quality, Sony remains a top contender. The Bravia 10 is rumored to feature advanced mini LED or even micro LED technology, offering superior brightness, better contrast, and improved color accuracy compared to its predecessor. One of the most exciting features is the enhanced XR cognitive processor, which Sony uses to analyze and optimize colors, contrast, and brightness in real time. Expect better local dimming technology, deeper blacks, and brighter highlights, making dark scenes incredibly lifelike. HDR formats like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG will likely be supported, ensuring top-tier HDR performance for movies, sports, and gaming. If Sony takes it a step further and introduces 8K upscaling, the Bravia 10 could future-proof itself for years to come. Audio performance. Immersive sound with AI enhancements. Sony's Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology has been one of its standout features, and the Bravia 10 is expected to refine it even further. With this technology, the TV screen itself acts as a speaker, creating a more immersive and directional audio experience. One area where we might see improvements is in the bass response and vocal clarity. Expect AI-powered sound adjustments that automatically optimize the audio based on content type and room acoustics. Support for Dolby Atmos is a given, creating a cinematic surround sound experience even without external speakers. Sony is also rumored to introduce 3D surround upscaling, which enhances non-Dolby Atmos content, making everything from YouTube videos to regular TV shows sound richer and more immersive. Gaming features. A next-gen console's dream display. If you're a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X gamer, the Bravia 10 is shaping up to be one of the best TVs for gaming. With HDMI 2.1 support, expect features like 4K at 120Hz for ultra-smooth gameplay, variable refresh rate to eliminate screen tearing, auto low latency mode for the lowest input lag possible, Sony's Auto HDR tone mapping for PlayStation 5, which automatically adjusts HDR settings to optimize visuals. Sony's Motion Flow XR technology will likely be improved, making fast-paced games smoother and more responsive. With low input lag and next-gen graphics capabilities, the Bravia 10 will undoubtedly be a dream TV for serious gamers. Smart features and software. Seamless streaming and AI integration. Sony has been pushing for smarter and more intuitive TV experiences, and the Bravia 10 will likely continue that trend. Expect to see an updated Google TV interface with support for all major streaming platforms, including Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube. Sony is also expected to integrate AI-powered content recommendations, allowing the TV to learn your preferences and suggest shows, movies, or games based on your viewing habits. Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa support will remain, making voice control seamless. Price and value. Is it worth the investment? Sony's Bravia flagship TVs have always been in the premium price range, and the Bravia 10 is likely to follow suit. While we don't have official pricing yet, expect it to cost more than competing brands like LG, Samsung, and TCL. However, what Sony offers in display quality, sound technology, and gaming performance often justifies the higher price tag. If you want the best 4K TV experience, this is likely to be one of the top choices of 2025. For budget-conscious buyers, previous models like the Bravia 9 or even Bravia 8 might see significant price drops after the Bravia 10's release. Final verdict. Should you buy the Sony Bravia 10? The Sony Bravia 10 is shaping up to be one of the best premium 4K OLED TVs of 2025. With its cutting-edge display technology, AI-powered processing, immersive audio, and next-gen gaming capabilities, it's designed to be the ultimate home entertainment upgrade. For those looking for a top-tier movie, gaming and sports experience, the Bravia 10 seems like a no-brainer. However, if budget is a concern, it may be worth considering previous Sony Bravia models or waiting for potential discounts.